Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn how to remove background in Photoshop. Let's start. This is Photoshop CC2 2020. I create a new. This is a pixel and inches, centimeters, and select the pixel size width 1920, height 1080, resolution 72. Yeah, I create a one background. Go to open one background images. I am select this one. Okay. Control A, it select the entire image. Control V in paste. Just drag and page size. Okay. I make a one background in my new page. Okay. Now open one image. I'm selecting this baby image. Now I am select the background. I need a baby image only. I am select the baby image only. Go to select and mask. Transparency 50%. Select object. See, select the only baby image. See, this is the easy way to background removal. Just drag in your new page. This is one of the easy way the background removal. Place in the right area. Then go to another one and another steps. Open. Select this image. Okay. This is another one options for easy way to grab the background. Disable the lock. You can do double click. The lock is disabled. See, go to the quick action. Remove background. You need to remove the background. You select remove background. See, one easy way background removal. Just scale. You can to use this images. This background is removed. You can to use any area. You can to place anyway. This is the easy way one method. This is the one of the easy way method. And you select the double click. Cast shadows. Just you can to make a shadows for realistic. Just make a realistic. You can to use the shadows. You can select the double click in the layer, open the blending options. again one, open, again one image, select that one image, again this baby image. This is another method. Go to quick select. This is the magic selection tool. See, this is the one of the easy way selection method. Go to the top corner. This is the unselection tool. You can to reduce the another part, just drag to move. This one of the method you can to use. Okay, place it. This is the one of the method, and remove the background. You select the image only, grab the image only. See the different or this little short. This is a very nice smooth. Go to effect, select the layer, double click. This is the layer style. Make your dark shadows. The edges are smooth. Okay. Go to make your drop shadows. Okay, then go to another one. This is another one options. Select one images, file, open. I need this, just open. Yeah, this is the background is white. I come to UCV to access, select all, select color range. This is the color range window. You select the background, make it 60. Okay, go to select inverse. Now only image only now select. Now only image selector. This is another one easy way method for use. Remove the background. You can do use logo and plants, etc. The background color is easy way to color method removal. Go to back side the layer. See, this is the one of the options, easy way to remove the background. Okay, and go to logo. Now go to logo background removal. Select the logo. This is okay, background is white, and to easy way to remove the background, select all, select color range, select the background color, make it a little reduce the, can to use 40, select, again select inverse color. See the logo, the background is removed. This is an easy way to background removal in Photoshop. Yeah, place it. Okay, another one. File open. This is green background. This also same method. Select all, color range. You select the background color and use 60. Select inverse. Copy paste. See, this is a background removal. Easy way to use Photoshop and the background removal tricks. This is the background removal, easy way to access the Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.